Hey everyone, good morning, welcome back. It's been a minute since I picked up the camera, but now I'm back, my time's freeing up and I'm able to make a few more videos. So today's video is about this thing. This is a car thermostat. So for the past couple of months I have been busy with a number of projects. One of them is including repairing my 2000 Honda Accord V6 that I have sitting outside. Well, I recently had a overheating problem and was trying to troubleshoot it. And trying to troubleshoot it, I went through replacing a thermostat, and then afterwards I figured that I might have gotten a bad thermostat from the store. So since I'm a hobbyist mechanic and not a professional mechanic, I often come across problems that I don't know how to solve or troubleshoot. And as a result, I, like many other people, go on different sources on the internet to try to find solutions and explanations how you would go through the process of troubleshooting and finding the solutions to those problems. So today's video is about how do you test a thermostat. Hi guys, so if you made it this far into the video, that means you enjoyed the video and I did my job keeping you entertained. Now, I do enjoy making these videos. They're lots of fun to film and edit. However, they're not easy to film and edit. So, if you want me to continue making videos, please show me your support by hitting the like button. If you like my content, please subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell if you want to see new videos. And of course, if you really like my channel and you want to help it grow, share the video with as many people as you want. And let's get back to it. Thank you very much. Have fun watching and have a beautiful day. Closely, you see in the middle of the picture there, the thermostat is starting to open up. If you look through the thermostat, you can actually see the bottom of the pot right there. That's exactly what you want to see when you do this type of test. Thermostat is fully open at this point. So in addition to the fact that the thermostat fully opened in the pot right there, we also want to see that it's going to close. So as you can see, the thermostat is fully open at this point. And now we're just going to wait for it to cool down and look at it while it's closing. So as you can see, the gap is slowly shrinking, and that means the thermostat is closing right there. Slow, well, it's actually almost completely closed, and now it's closed. So it looks like this test was a success. This thermostat is fully working, and I am going to throw it back in the car and see how the car responds. Okay, so in a minute I'll be able to check the thermostat and see. Right now I'm bleeding out the air out of the system. Spill-free funnel designed for bleeding out the air out of the system. And let's see if that works. As you can see, the car is running. It's only been a couple of minutes, but so far it's doing good. The engine has not come up to temperature yet, but I'll let it run for a few minutes and we'll see what's going on. So currently there are no engine codes, I guess that's good. And as you can see, these are the engine stats. Current engine temperature is around 70 Celsius. Car's still not overheating, which is good. It's been running for like 5 minutes. The RPMs at the moment are around 755, which is the same on the vehicle's gauge. There you go. Engine temp is about, well, less than a quarter. Car's been running for like 20 or 30 minutes now, and I got up to about 3,000 RPM a few minutes ago. Internal fan has kicked in. It seems to have bled all the air out of the system. It's been like this for 30 minutes. It's running great, and so far it appears to be not overheating. There's the gauge, and as you can see, it's not overheating. So our thermostat test was a success. The new thermostat I got from the store is working fine. Apparently it was a bad thermostat in combination with air in the system, and that was it. Now you know how to check a thermostat before you actually dump it into your car. And guys, thank you for watching. Have a beautiful day. Catch you on the next one.